There we go. How to be efficient as a freelance video creator. That's the exact topic that we're going to be tackling today. This right here is going to be a clip, just a clip from the Make Money Making Videos podcast, full podcast, linked down below if you want to watch the whole thing. Me and Emerrias going back and forth talking about freelance video creation, as we are both freelance video creators. Without further ado, we're going to jump into this particular clip. Let's do it. Welcome back to the Make Money Making Videos podcast. Hell yeah. How'd you get into it?
I don't know. I feel like I've always had like a little knack for understanding people.
Yeah,
and
totally.
through that, I understand how to keep them engaged, how to make a good video, stuff like that. I'm not the best at like designing stuff and all technical aspects. People do like they write like code in Adobe After Effects to like make stuff happen. And I'm like, dang, how do you do that?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? Yeah, expressions.
It's just a little bit too much for me, bro. Literally.
Yeah.
Yeah, I feel you.
I see some insane edits, and I'm like, I can't really do that yet. Maybe one day,
Yeah.
but I can create a mean video pretty fast.
Yeah.
That's the thing. Like what I'm doing right now for full-time job. It's like I'm creating videos fast. They're not the best edited or whatever.
Yeah. It's not like $1 million production value. It's just a whole bunch of micro content, but it's a massive quantity of micro content.
Exactly, and I can do it fast. I feel like all these other like videographers, they'd be BSing. It's like it's gonna take me like weeks to edit this. But no, it's like you literally put the clips in a timeline. Cut out the stuff you don't need. You can do that in one night. Honestly,
I 100% agree, bro. And I actually get myself into cold water, and I think I understand why some people would say the longer time, because as you get more projects and you get more stuff, obviously with you're only handling kind of like one client, one project. But when you get more projects, you sort of understand that you sort of need to you don't want to rush yourself. Like the worst thing is when you've told 2 or 3 clients that you're going to get it done super quick, and then you have to get all of them done super, you know what I mean? Type of thing like that.
All nighter, Yeah.
Exactly. So I think that goes into some of the reasons of why people kind of big it up. Like, it's going to take 3 weeks. It's going to take this. Whereas like it's a totally different aspect doing the micro content, because you whip it up in an hour or something like that.
Yeah.
I totally understand.
Whippy.
Yeah. No, 100%, man. Literally 100%. I mean, like, I've definitely created some micro content for some similar people, like some Gary Vee style people, sort of similar to the Apartment Rockstar and stuff like that. But so that's crazy. You've been working full time for the Apartment Rockstar for a week, and you've been with him for about 6 months or something like that.
Yeah.